6. The water we drink. In this chapter, we will learn about all living things need water just like they need air. People, animals, and plants cannot live without water. We use water for many things. We need water to drink, to cook food, to bathe, to wash, and for many other purposes. We need water for growing crops and running factories. We also get electricity from water. Did you know? The electricity generated from water is called hydroelectricity. Animals need water to drink. They bathe in water to stay cool during the hot months. Fish and water animals in ponds, rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. Plants also need water. It helps them grow and live. In the villages, most of the people take out water from a well. We use pumps to take out the underground water. In cities, the water is first purified and then stored in very big water tanks. We get water in our houses through pipes and taps. Water sustains life on earth. Where does water come from? Water covers almost three-fourths of the earth's surface. Oceans, lakes, and rivers all contain water. They get this water from rainfall. Some water also comes from snow found on mountain tops. In summer, the snow melts and flow into rivers as water. There is water under the ground. We get this water from wells. Rain is an important source of water. Forms of water. In nature, water changes its forms all the time. The water in oceans, seas, ponds, lakes, and rivers is heated by the sun. It rises in the form of water vapor. High up in the sky, it is very cold. So the water vapor cools down and turns into tiny drops of water. All these tiny drops of water together form clouds. On further cooling, the drops get bigger and fall down as rain. The rainwater flows back to the water bodies. This is called the water cycle. Activity. Label the water cycle. Clean water. We need fresh and clean water. The rainwater is the cleanest form of water. The river water in mountain is always clean and fresh. In cities or in plains, the river water is not clean. We make it dirty by throwing the waste and garbage in it. At home, we can purify water by boiling it for 10 to 15 minutes. Boiling kills most of the germs in water. Adding chlorine tablets, filtering it. Water is precious. Water is very precious. We should not waste it. Store the water properly and keep it covered. If we use dirty water, we can fall ill. Nowadays, people have to buy pure water for drinking when they are away from home. Save water to save your life. New words. Water vapor. A form of water that goes up as gas. Water cycle. The movement of water from one form to another and finally back to the original form. Recap. All living things need water. We get water in our houses through pipes and taps. Oceans, lakes, and rivers all contain water. In nature, water changes its forms all the time. We need clean and fresh water. Water is very precious.